Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the new 5 Surprise Mini Brands game. Yes, this is a board game and it's called Mini Market Dash Game. It's actually licensed through Spin Master Games. So of course this is still Zuru, but Spin Master obtained the license of Mini Brands. That's so wild, amazing how far Mini Brands have come. I cannot believe it. It's amazing. So your tokens are actually going to be your mini brands that are visible. So there's the Almond Breeze Milk, the Kool-Aid Tropical Punch pack, and then you have Philadelphia Cream Cheese. These are from Series 1. I think this is from Wave 2 of Series. Wait, I'm sorry. This is from Series 2, I think. I don't remember. Anyway, let's get it open. The packaging's really cool. We got some girls enjoying it. It's so much fun. We love it. And the back says, Mini Market Dash, get ready to dash, race around the market using one of the mini brands, collectible movers, gathering all the mini brands you can. So I hope it has like some supermarket sweep kind of vibes because we love that game. We watch it every single night on Buzzer TV. So let's get it opened up and see how to play and what that mystery is. Please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more unboxing videos from a real toy collector. As you know, Spin Master, they make games, but they also create Hatchimals and things like that. So I see the mini is over here. Let's see, the mini is visible already. Oh, and it is, dun, 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 a ketchup bottle, a bottle of Heinz ketchup. That's pretty awesome. I was expecting something else though. Okay, no problem. I don't know if we have to keep those, but let's see. So we have the game board here, these punch out cards, which are actually your cards I'm guessing that you're gonna have to take. I'm gonna read it and get it set up. So these little tiles, and it features the shopping cart from Series 2. I like the Series 2 shopping cart better. However, it's still small. It doesn't hold as much as it did. But we're not talking about that here. We're talking about this game. I'm going to see how the game plays. And maybe I'll play with my kiddo on my Instagram. If you could just check that out at play.live.repeat. I'm also on TikTok at ToyMom, Twitter, Play Live Repeat, and Facebook at Play Live Repeat. Also check me out on Pinterest too, also at Play Live Repeat. I have a nice following on there. A lot of nice people on Pinterest. Okay, we have like punch out cards that feature the mini brands from Series 2 so far. Look at that, the shake and bake. Ooh, there's an actual mini brands capsule. Let's take a look. There's more. There's actual card here. Okay guys, I have the game unboxed and I have our mini brands cards along with these shopper cards. Now, the tiles that I punched out, they're really cool because you can place these on the game board. As you're placing them on the game board, you'll notice that they're going to be different every time. So make sure you shuffle it every time you play the game. This makes the game fun and new every single time. After you set up the tiles on the game board, make sure you put 2 wild tiles in the middle of the game board face up. This right here is actually a wild tile, so you can actually fill it any way you want on your shopping list. So let's say you need this bullseye barbecue sauce in order to complete the game, and you pull this tile and use it to complete the game. You're all set. So I have these mini tiles. I put them all on the game board. You're not supposed to. You're supposed to put them all on the game board, but leave 7 random tiles off. So I'm going to take away 7 of them. Now I'm going to shuffle the shopping card list. The shopping card list is the card set that says mini brands, and the mini brands cards actually contain your shopping list. So you have to get 3 mini brands items, and these are actually depicted on the tile cards. Shuffle them up, and each player gets 2. Once you complete your first 2 shopper cards, make sure you pull another card and keep your cards face up. You could swap tiles between your own shopping list to complete a new shopping list. Your action cards, these are prompts to tell you what to do, what not to do, what happens to you. Things like your opponent's going to take away cards, you can take away cards, things like that. Make sure they're shuffled and place them down. Your movers, this was the mystery mover, the Heinz tomato ketchup. I'm going to use this for the purpose of this video. You also get 1 die and 4 movers all together. So it could be 2 to 4 players. So you roll the die and you start at the area that has an arrow. Right here, it looks like a sale sign. So we went 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have an action card. The action card says, put 3 tiles from your shopping list cards onto the board center face up. Now, this says play instantly. Normally, you can actually hold these cards and play later, but since I have to play instantly, I have to play my cards. I do not have 3 tiles, so I'm just gonna put this back at the bottom of the action cards. I forgot to mention that this is my shopping list. Each player gets 2 shopping list cards. I'm gonna roll again. It says 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome, I got a tile card and I also fell down. I pulled a Miracle Whip tile and I do not have any. So now I have to take the Miracle Whip tile and place it back face up for everyone to see. Now, let's just say I rolled 1, 2, 3, 4. I rolled a 4 and I landed on an empty space. What happens when you land at an empty space? Well, I could take 1 tile from the excess tiles. These are wild tiles. So 2 wild tiles were put in the middle of the board. Do I need country time? Oh, yes, I totally do. So now I fulfilled 1 part of my shopping list. Let's say while you're playing, you land on the start space. Guess what? You can take an action card. Let's say I landed on the space that had a turned up tile card. And I need it, I take it. If I don't need it, I leave it. My turn is over. The object of the game is to be the first person to complete all of your shopping list. This looks like a really, really fun game. I can't wait to play it with somebody. I'll most likely play it with my son Marcello because he loves mini brands so much. It's so easy to play and it has like that whole shopping aspect. So we're totally gonna do some supermarket sweep style vibes when we do our next video. So stay tuned for that. This, like I said, is the mystery one and here are the other ones. I'll pull them out of the holder for you. Got Philadelphia cream cheese, Kool-Aid, and an almond breeze. Pretty awesome. Really, really great game. I found it at Target. Definitely pick it up if you have a mini brands obsessed fan. Buy Spin Master Games. Awesome. Overall, I really, really love this game. I think it's really, really fun to play. It includes our favorite mini brands. And the best part is that there's always a different way to play around this game board. It's never going to be the same. The other cool part is if you have your own mini brands in your own collection, you can pull your own and use them as your mover tokens. You don't necessarily have to always use the same 4 that they come with. So you could really personalize this game to the way you want to play and how you want to play. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my other social media channels. I'll put that in my description below. Again, this is by Spin Master Games, and that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great day.